Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jay. I'm back again with more content for you guys, and today what we're installing is BMW taillights to a Toyota Camry. Any trim, any year. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. We're not going to do any crazy introduction. So if you guys are interested in any different taillights or headlights that I post on this video, always check the description down below for links and discount codes. Okay? When you get your box, this is what you're going to be seeing. Open the box. It's going to be one long box versus that big bulky square box that you usually see. It's because the trunk bar to the BMW taillights is connected together with the inner taillights, okay? And then you got the outer taillights, and everything is plug and play. No matter what trim you have, they come with the wiring harnesses. If you have a TRD SELE, or they might be plug and play for those trims that might be, you know, wiring harness for the XSE and XLE. But we're gonna go ahead right into it. We got an underground TRD 2023 here today, and the only difference besides anything else I do when installing taillights is that we have to take off the trunk bar. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through all this stuff for you guys, and I mean, you can skip through about 2 or 3 minutes, but yeah. Thank you. I was thinking myself,
You get nervous that it had a...
Take the bumper off.
Oh
my god.
That'd be a nightmare. You've done it, I'm sure,
Yeah,
but
like, it's easy. It's just why would you go through the extra work when, like, you know what I'm saying, when you can easily just pop it out that way.
like
what it is, it gets stuck on these brackets right here.
Yeah. They snap
You have the
in.
little tooth right here, so
Yeah.
they snap in, and then
Yeah.
you get a hard time, and then like these right here.
Oh,
snap
they're
into the
brutal.
side.
Yeah.
All right, so we got everything off except for the trunk bar. I'm going ahead and put in the side taillights now and get them out the way. So BMW taillight has, I think, 2 color variations right now, and this is the most common one right here. Is where you have the red light, obviously, chrome housing. If you go look inside, it's chrome housing, and then it's like a not a dark smoke tint. I'll say it's like like in between. It's not light and it's not dark, but it's like in between, where you can still see the housing and the lights in the inside.
Oh, looks good. It looks pretty nice with the color, the combination. Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah.
All right, so for the other side, I'm gonna show you real quick. This harness looks like it's too big to fit inside that hole, but you just gotta angle it the right way to get inside there. And then as you funnel it through, just try to grab the rest of the wires through there. I like to hear it click. There we go. To get the trunk bar off, you have to take the inner taillights off first. That's a must. It's not gonna come off without it. Get a flathead or a plastic trim tool. You want to pop this plastic piece down. All right. After you do that, there's 2 10mm bolts sitting underneath that you have to screw out. Now, flatheads are cool, but you don't want to use them in all situations. So like right there, that's fine because it was plastic, but to take the trunk bar actually down, it has these cushions inside here that you can't actually like clip out. So you have to get into this groove right here. You don't want to use a flathead because you'll chip your paint on the car, and you don't want that. You'll see it. Look who showed up. Yeah, I hope I heard this right. Would you believe that's an LE?
Nice.
Got the TRD mufflers on there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You good, man?
What's up, man? How are you doing? How are you? Good.
Trying to wake up.
I'm Dan.
Dan, Kenny, man. Let's
Kenny, nice to meet you.
Let's start.
The official. Oh, thank you. It's pretty new.
Tired?
A little bit. You almost done, ain't you?
Yeah, I mean, I can get in there. I was kind of take my time. All right, Ken. That's what you're here for.
Cameraman.
All right, so after you put your outer tail lights on, you took off the trunk bar. This piece right here, this plastic piece comes inside the package with you. You're going to use this instead of the original one. All right, it comes with the tabs in there already. And actually, it's easier if you go to your original trunk bar, take this off. You're gonna take these plastic pieces off, and you're gonna stick them inside here. So you're gonna put the plastic piece on, the two bolts that you took off to the trunk bar, put those on next. All right. Now, you hold it. Now you're gonna put your trunk bar on. Take your bolts. It's supposed to look like this right here. Now, for your harnesses right here, if you have an XSE or XLE, you're going to use this one. You're going to plug this into this. If you have the XSE or LE, it will match. But because you have an SELE TRD, you got to use these two. You're going to plug this in, and that's it. You're just gonna leave that hanging just like that, or you could zip tie it or however you want to do it. Same for the other side. All right. And then those colorful wires that you had, you're gonna take from here, plug from right here. It's gonna wire down to here, and you're gonna plug it up to this one right here. Repeat it from the other side. Wire. Now these wires right here, that come with the car, you're not going to use them. I'm not sure why they came with the kit, but you're not going to use them. Came more though.
Step on the brakes. Do the turn signals. Solid work.